now that it's pretty much set who is coming into my classroom and where I'm going, I am thinking that I would like to slowly try to transition some things. For example, I have science room materials that are in blue fabric bins, mainly because blue is my favorite color and I cannot stand super colorful things. But I do know that this next teacher loves bright colors. I actually had some money left over from my budget, my classroom budget, and I bought some fabric bins that are much, much more colorful than mine. I think that in May, I will start um, moving some things around. If they are in fabric bins and they are staying in the science room, then they will be transferred to a colorful bin. And the things that are mine will stay in the fabric bins that I have them in because they will most likely stay in those bins when I move to my new grade level classroom. Um, I think I'm also going to start taking down some of the decorations that I have in the room. I know that packing up is going to be an overwhelming task because I have so many things. And I also have to think about not just moving things to the new room, but also packing things up and putting them in storage. I know that I will be taking things out of storage, specifically my books, my classroom books that I packed away will be coming out of storage, except maybe for the ones that are clearly for younger grades. I might still bring some of those with me because I know that I will have some emerging readers in my classroom and they might need something that are more their level to read in my classroom because I'm pretty much guaranteed that I will be teaching reading and writing, whatever classroom I end up in.